Got a Ford EcoBoost. Let's check the catch can. This has about 4,500 miles on it since the last oil change. Pretty good level. I'd say it's probably at least an inch in there. Dumped the catch can on our 2019 Ford Expedition with the 3.5 EcoBoost. And it's been 4,500 miles since the last oil change. And look at the sludge. That is a thick sludge. Let me get a stick and show y'all. That's why I believe in these catch cans, guys. Totally worth the money. This would have been thrown back into your engine. All this junk. Probably the best 150 bucks you can spend. If you don't have one on your Ford EcoBoost right now, go get you one. Get you a catch can. Want more content like this? Check out our channel. I got install videos on these catch cans. I got testimonial. I've run samples with the lab on the contents of these cans. Check out the channel for a whole lot more information like this. Thanks for watching. Peace.